Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Bella.
Today, we're learning natural, everyday phrases that can help your English sound more native.
Small changes can make correct English sound smoother, warmer, and more conversational.
Let's begin with 7 useful phrases you can practice straight away.
I'll look into it.
I'll get it done.
I'm working on it.
I didn't catch that.
I'll keep an eye on it.
I get where you're coming from.
I'm open to it.
Now, let's hear how those phrases sound in a natural conversation.
Imagine your manager asks you to check a problem. You could say, I will investigate it, but I'll look into it sounds much more natural.
Exactly. It is the kind of short, relaxed phrase people use all the time at work.
The same goes for finishing a task. I'll get it done feels smoother than I will complete it.
And if you have already started, I'm working on it is a simple way to show the task is in progress.
That sounds much more conversational than saying, I am doing it now.
Yes, it gives the update without making it sound like a formal report.
If you miss what someone said, I didn't catch that is usually all you need.
Right. I did not hear that clearly is correct, but the shorter phrase feels friendlier in everyday conversation.
If you are tempted to say, I will watch it carefully, you will often hear, I'll keep an eye on it instead.
That phrase feels more conversational, and it works for a delivery, a small problem, or anything you need to monitor.
Sometimes natural English sounds warmer, too. I understand your situation can feel formal in a personal conversation.
That is where I get where you're coming from works beautifully, because it shows you understand the other person's point of view.
Then, if somebody suggests a new idea, I'm open to it. Sounds relaxed and flexible.
It is a more conversational choice than I am willing to try it. And it does not make you sound overly enthusiastic.
So these phrases are not complicated. They simply match the way people usually speak.
That is why they help your English sound less translated and more comfortable.
The meaning stays clear, but the tone becomes more natural.
And once you hear these expressions often, you start reaching for them automatically.
That is when everyday English begins to feel quicker and easier.
Let's practice 8 more natural phrases before we continue the conversation.
I'd rather not.
That's beside the point.
Let's not rush into it.
We'll figure it out.
It's not worth it.
That's on me.
Keep me in the loop.
I'll get the hang of it.
Now, let's return to the conversation and explore those 8 phrases in real situations.
Suppose someone invites you somewhere and you do not want to go. I'd rather not sounds softer than a direct I do not want to.
Yes, and when a discussion drifts away from the real issue, that's beside the point, brings the focus back.
It says the same basic idea as that is not related to the main point, but it sounds much more conversational.
Another useful phrase comes up when people are making a decision too quickly.
Exactly. Let's not rush into it. Gives everyone time to think without making the moment feel dramatic.
Then there are problems where nobody has the answer yet. We'll figure it out. Sounds calm and reassuring.
I like that one because "we will find a solution" is perfectly correct, but it can sound more formal than the situation needs.
Sometimes a textbook phrase like, it is not valuable enough, feels too stiff for a simple decision.
Exactly. "It's not worth it" is what people often say when the time, money, or effort is too much.
And when the mistake is yours, "that's on me" is a natural, confident way to express, "that was my fault."
If you want updates, "please tell me what happens" can sound formal. "Keep me in the loop" feels much more everyday.
Finally, "I'll get the hang of it" is a relaxed way to express, "I will learn how to do it" when a new skill still feels difficult.
These small choices make familiar ideas sound more relaxed, natural, and native-like.
Great job today!
You do not need to memorize every sentence.
Listen again and notice which expressions feel most useful to you.
Say them out loud and let the natural wording become familiar.
See you in the next lesson!